Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your Facebook profile. Now click on these three dots. Now click on Turn on Professional Mode. Press on Turn on. Now click on Next. Now go back. Now click on Professional Dashboard. Now click on Insights. Here you can see Performance and the option of Views. From here you can see who viewed your Facebook profile. That's it. So this is how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.